Sakura Tree! Para sa mga taong walang budget papunta sa Japan, this is a place where you can live your Japanese fantasies. Kunyari, nasa Japan ka, look at this. Sakura! Sakura! Orewanan gesoka. What did I just say?
What is that?
What is that? Orewanan gesoka. That's the only Japanese phrase I memorized. Orewanan gesoka. Japan Town! Okay, let's go. Nakikringe na si Kidlat. 102 Izakaya. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. Let's go. What does Izakaya mean?
It roughly translates to stay, drink, place.
Stay, drink, place. You stay here, you drink, and it's a place. And look at the aesthetic of this place. It looks like a mishmash of pop culture things about Japan. And this is Kidlat, the Japanese expert in the family. Are you a Japanese expert?
No.
What can you say about this place?
That poster of Monsters Inc. over there is Chinese.
Alright, look at this. There are movie posters, there are anime posters. Is this Akira? That's Akira. Attack on Titan, Doraemon, Spirited Away, Dragon Ball, Voltes 5, Godzilla, Shider, and then biglang merong poster ng Monsters Inc. in Chinese. Bakit biglang may Chinese poster dito? We don't know. Anyway, we're gonna get something to drink. They got lemon sour, peach lemon sour, fruity chuhai, sakura sour, izakaya mule, lychee saketini. There's Japanese iced tea, there's umeshutini, Sapporo, and Asahi lang yung Japanese beer nila. Meron din silang mga list of sake and whiskey and spirits, the usual spirits. Ang whiskey nila is Suntory yung Japanese. I wanna start with a cocktail. What do you suggest? I want something cold and refreshing. Yeah, cocktail. Alcoholic.
Seller said is Sakura Sour.
Sakura sour. So, okay. Sakura sour is tequila, soju, Yakult, grenadine, lemon, and soda water. Kidlat, what do you want? Sapporo? Okay. Sige. Wait, first of all, you're drinking beer. How old are you?
18.
18. Do you have your ID with you?
No, but I have my Computer membership card.
Can I see it? That proves that you are 18, that you are legal drinking age. Can I see? What do you have? What's this?
It's my Pump It Up membership card.
Alright, so that's good enough proof that you are 18 years old. Pump it up, dance card.
Yes, it definitely shows my maturity.
Okay, what else? Oh, I can hear it. I can hear my drink being shaken. Look at that. Yan. Okay, he's making my Sakura sour. There you go, my Sakura sour. Sakura sour at Izakaya. And then there's your Sapporo.
Thank you.
Sapporo draft. Chuk. Cheers. Sarap. I have a question. Why do you think Filipinos or any Western culture, bakit sila obsessed or bakit naging very likable ang Japanese culture, Japanese pop culture to other nationalities? Why do you think is that?
For more Western countries, I think it would be more around the aesthetic. Just because compared to, say, America, the big flashing lights of, say, Tokyo look so much better than the fields that you would find in the middle of nowhere in Texas or something.
Because America is boring.
Uh-huh.
So bland and so plain. That's why nung nakita nila yung Japanese chaotic, colorful aesthetic, they went, what the fuck was that? I like that. What do you call the Japanese, yung mga Japanese obsessed people? Otaku? Otaku.
Weebs. Weebs are what you would call the people that are like really obsessed, like to a point na it's just weird na.
Anong literal translation ng otaku?
I have no idea.
I-google mo nga, what's the difference between a weeb and an otaku?
Also, live translation, otaku meaning a person having an intense or obsessive interest, especially in the fields of anime and manga.
Weeaboo is?
A non-Japanese person viewed as being obsessed with Japanese culture and
Okay.
media.
Okay. So weeb is short for weeaboo.
Specifically, a non-Japanese
O
person.
non-Japanese person.
Otakus can be Japanese, but if
Okay. Otaku, specifically, consumes or are obsessed with anime and manga.
I think it means na otakus are at least Japanese and weebs are foreign.
Right, we learned something today. Yun ang difference nila. Otaku versus weeb. So, what are you?
I suppose a weeb.
Okay, meanwhile, may cherry dito sa drink ko. No? Look at that. So, it's very sweet. Flowery siya. There's tequila, pero hindi ko nalalasahan at all yung tequila. Ang pinaka prominent na taste profile na nalalasahan ko is the Yakult and the lemon. Lasa siyang Yakult and lemon. Tapos a little bit hint of floweriness. Okay, so what am I? A person na walang kaalam-alam sa Japanese culture. What do you call me?
The word I was looking for was gaijin.
What is a gaijin? It sounds like a Gundam operator.
It just means foreigner.
It's a Japanese word for foreigner. Someone who is not Japanese. Gaijin. Kaiju. What is a kaiju? I know kaiju is a robot.
No, it is not.
Oh, kaiju is a monster. Giant monster.
Yes, there we go.
Okay. Kaiju. Kaiju is a giant monster. Kalaban ni Kai Soto.
Who the hell is Kai Soto?
Is a Filipino monster.
I don't know who that is.
He's a Filipino basketball monster.
Basketball monster? What show is this?
It's not a show, it's a real life. So sa lahat ng mga otakus na nanonood tsaka sa mga weebos na nanonood right now, welcome to the channel. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. What's your favorite anime or manga? Let me know down in the comments. Who's your favorite Japanese person?
Probably Ri Takahashi.
Ri Takahashi.
Yes, Ri Takahashi.
Okay, now I know who my favorite Japanese person is. It's Takeshi. Kilala mo si Takeshi?
Is he the one with the castle?
Exactly, the one with the castle. Change angle. We haven't seen this angle before. So now, there's a big courtyard outside. I'm gonna show you kung ano yung mga restaurants na nandito sa Japantown sa Glorieta. But for now, ubusin muna natin itong Sapporo. So that's 102 Izakaya. This is Shaburi Kintan Buffet. All you can eat Japanese barbecue. This one is Mitsuya Do Ramen. Mitsuya Do Ramen. Curry house and what's this? Koko Ichibanya. Then over there they have Hakata Tonchi. Also a ramen bar. And of course, one of the most famous ramen restaurants dito sa Metro Manila. It's Ramen Nagi. Okay, there's also Musashi Maru. Ang hirap i-pronounce ng mga Japanese names sa mga restaurants. But yeah, bear with me. And then over here, there's a row of mga vendo machines. And then right in the middle, they have this parang installation na parang town center inspired. Oh, so there's a sakura tree right here. Tapos meron silang mga notes, may mga messages. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng phone number mo. Kung gusto mo magka-jowa, lagay mo yung number mo dito. Para siyang Tinder. Tapos kung may magustuhan kang handwriting, you can call that number. Tapos see kung pwede mo siyang i-date. Look at this guy or girl. Yun ang may sinulat niya sa wish niya. It says here, sana magka-jowa ako. Also, it is a wish tree. Kasi look at this. Sana manalo ako sa loto. Sana magkaroon ako ng magandang bahay. Anyway, so masyado nang mainit. Sakit na sa balat. So maghanap na tayo ng shade. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.